warm weather this year has meant that a lot of our plants are actually leafing out a little bit early. So plant of the week is Oakleaf Hydrangea. This is one that actually broke bud earlier. It is absolutely showing its oak leaves. This happens to be one called Little Honey, so this chartreusey sort of color shows up against a dark background. This is 100% hardy, 100% woody hydrangea. So unlike so many of those other ones, you've got the twigs, you've got the stems. You can see some of the old flowers on it, which we can pinch off. But what you will see as these buds develop is you'll see the leaves get bigger, you'll see the flower buds come out. And if you have one that doesn't have chartreuse foliage, you can still see the buds because they're so huge and so fuzzy, you can see them from a great distance. So Oakleaf Hydrangea and the cultivars of it are really great plants to use in a partly shaded, good soil condition in your landscape. Now let's throw it back to Gannon for the weather.